Well, one thing is, what does federated mean? Some places I've seen it means fragmented or anarchy, which is, I don't think, what we want. I think it's a distribution of responsibilities. You're still going to need something centralized. So if we think about the data mesh, okay, we want interoperability of our data products ultimately, even though that, across all business domains. So that means somebody somewhere centrally putting together standards, maybe standards about the metadata we will use to describe, let's say, our data products. Then there's other things like if we think about, and I think Irina touched on this, think about data retention. Yes, you at the federated level, you get to decide, you get to do the data retention activities, but the rules, the general rules for these things, like in the US, tax information must be kept for 7 years, or at a policy level, we are going to delete our emails after 90 days. To limit liability. Those things are not something that gets decided at the node in the federated model. So I think it's understanding those complexities, and rather than saying it's one or the other, and how these things work together for the overall good of the enterprise. And again, something's dear to my heart, which is the setting of the policies and standards at the centralized level. So these are considerations that I think are important, and it's how these all play together that matters.
And